to make coconut milk and yogurt mask for hair. Take 1 cup of coconut milk, 1/2 cup of yogurt, and 2 tablespoons of camphor oil. Next, mix all the ingredients in a bowl. Now, massage this mixture onto your scalp and hair. After massaging, leave it on for an hour or 2. In the end, rinse your hair with lukewarm water. For best results, use this hair mask once a week. Lauric acid is one of the main ingredients in coconut. This long-chain, medium-chain fatty acid is known for its ability to penetrate hair easily and help strengthen the cuticle. We all know the fact that our hair is made of keratin, a type of protein that is supported by the types of proteins that we eat. Coconut milk has a high protein profile that can potentially keep our hair strong. You can gain these benefits from drinking coconut milk, as well as applying it topically. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.